Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. Yeah, I just want to give you an update with my paving works. So, by the way, today is Saturday, 27th of June 2020, and now the time is 4:20 in the afternoon. Yeah, as you can see, I laid another guide or string line on the right hand side. So that's the level of my paving from that corner to the corner there. So the slope is similar to on the left hand side. So I put already blocks, concrete blocks and bricks paving as a guide for the slope. So I was not able to pour concrete or fill in the gap of paving because it's raining. So instead I lay this string as a guide on the right hand side area of this trellis. So hopefully it won't rain tomorrow, so I can continue filling concrete on the gap, like what I did in this area here. So like what I said before, it's like a crazy cut tiles because of this irregular shape of bricks and concrete paving. My purpose is just to cover the area, and I'm not stepping on a muddy surface. So that's why I put irregular shapes of paving, which I took from that bush or like a forest, a small forest close to us. Yeah, okay, so I hope you like my small presentation. If you have any comments, please do so. So as a retired person, I'm just doing some activities to make myself busy rather than to watch TV or doing anything. At least I can still use my knowledge improving our backyard. Alright, by the way, this is my lemongrass, so hopefully it won't hibernate till July and August, which is the extreme winter. Alright, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, please be safe and see you next time. Bye for now. God bless you.